Okay, so I just took this thing out of the box. There's a little piece of paper / manual, the box. I didn't take it out until I got to work because I didn't need it except for when I got to work. Because my computer does not have a webcam. However, this thing has an abundance of scratches. It looks damaged, and it has this tab up here as though it's gonna have a protective screen. However, there is no protective screen present. Only a device that appears to be damaged. So I will be returning. Thank you, but no thank you.
I guess this is another test, this time with the streaming mic. And testing 1, 2, 3.